Alright, good morning everybody. It is July 28th. It is 1:35 in the morning. I'm having to go through the back door and get these earthquakes from EMSC. I do get the tweets, but then their webpage is down and I can't pull it up off of there, so I've got to go to the back door and get these earthquakes. So that's what's taking so long on this. I apologize. Here we go. There was a 3.4 Central California, 6 miles southwest of Olancha. It's 2 miles in depth. A 2.2 Oklahoma, 9 miles northwest of Okarch. That's Okarch at 3 miles in depth. A 2.7 CRETE, Greece at 18.6 miles in depth. Now that one's going to be along with a few others that are happening in Greece. That's why I put it down. A 3.2 northern Alaska, 43 miles southwest of Katowice, and they have that at 0 miles in depth. A 3.9 near the coast of PAPUA, Indonesia, at 6.2 miles in depth. The 4.6 Fiji Island region at 326 miles in depth. There was a 3.5 off the shore of El Salvador at 52.1 miles in depth. A 4.6 Java, Indonesia at 6.2 miles in depth. A 3.4 Chile that came in at 83.8 miles in depth. A 4.1 HALMAHERA at 6.2 miles in depth. A 4.3 off the shore of El Salvador at 28.5 miles in depth. A 3.4 off the coast of Chile at 19.2 miles in depth. A 3.5 upgraded to a 3.8 southern Alaska, and that came in 30 miles south of Redoubt, and that came in at 63 miles in depth. A 4.3 Banda Sea at 87 miles in depth. A 2.2 Kansas, 7 miles west of Plainville at 3 miles in depth. A 4.6 Mariana Islands at 85 miles in depth. A 3.8 Iona Sea, Greece at 0 miles in depth. A 3.1 CRETE, Greece at 18.6 miles in depth. A 4.5 Indonesia, Philippine Island region, and that came in at 6.2 miles in depth. A 3.0 Iona Sea, Greece at 7.4 miles in depth. And a 4.5 New Ireland region, Papua New Guinea at 6 miles in depth. So Greece has had 1, 2, let's see here, 1, 2, 3 earthquakes this evening, I should say, sorry. And before they had a couple more earlier today. I'm trying to keep an eye on that because of the volcano in the area. Alright, so God bless, be safe, thank you so much for watching. I hope EMSC gets their webpage fixed, I really do. Going through the back door is no fun. Having to copy paste the back door and then try to find if there was updates or downgrades. And EMSC doesn't, USGS does not put on some of these earthquakes. You know that, and I know that. And I want to make sure you guys get all the earthquakes. So God bless, be safe. Thank you so much for watching. Sweet dreams. You guys are totally awesome. You just don't know how awesome you are. Have a great evening, guys. 2 thumbs up.